Yama telephone adofo so akwaba famara dwumadie so yere more updates and it's me eba from the Continental Club Masters Akrata Folk afi Ox FC had to folk mabawa non stem ewa ha entena fake cup eso nsem ekọ so enye easy cry club ni bi ache clubs ni bi ensom atimi amemene wo mo yere mo nsem etimi ba free Kotoko nsem kakra enso ewa ha wonsem to say and your first time out here you subscribe share for comment no enso etimi to comment section aha air charles ado tv yade nsem nyina enso etimi ede eba ye hase from MTN FA Cup match and enso etimi to dwa ama team efo say a Trump diversa enso echi tima ye fo say bibiano Gold Stars ebo mo 4-3 na game no enso ekọ ende 0-0 ebra 90 minutes na enso eso ye ewram penalties sokode obete de sa eno so etimi koso na se enye easy kra boy and din enso so ne for say Gideon Anaba ekogina ponachi edema tima ye for say eye bibiano Gold Stars enso etimi ehye afi boy for say eye Kingsley Fosu senior enso ebe sene de Edima team fan say a Trump diversa afi bibiano Gold Stars Abdul Farouk enso ebe seno ana Mark eye Kagawa Mensa enso ebe share edema Trump diversa afi team fan say eye bibiano Gold Stars Kevin upon ebe born dear enso timeto chine Emmanuel Ajay enso bebo eto chine afi Richard eye Kote enso ebe share afi Gabriel Matu Mase ebe share edema tima ye fan say a Trump diversa ana afi Samuel Atakumi ebe share edema tima ye fan say eye bibiano Gold Stars eye Mubarak Idrisu enso ebe share entina eye 5 penalty shootout ana yetimi apo enso biaso etmasha 3-3 the 6th penalty no enso etimi epaso ama Godfred Chey ebebone de say no edima bibiano Gold Stars ana Richmond Apokum enso so etimi ebe share de kama edima Trump diversa asa Trump diversa enso etimi ahye Tima ye friend say bibiane Gold Stars ayo mont afrim 4-3 and the team to dwa enso ewani a ye friend say round of 16 first match no ye ntwa so na fan sem no ematifo na yenko Ox FC fo so yenko din komo enso ewani ye friend say Greater Accra Regional Football Association we enso eye emano Division 1 league no enye easy kra okowasi say no me pacho nambo achina Ox FC enso ejina akono achese omososo any tima ye fan say GRA ladies ana ede ebony sa match na a tough gamer and also some etimi ebaso unim say Ox FC about 11 matches are more 30 points and was 65 goals almost 74 goals and achese yasha 9 goals and so etimi etia wo enti 11 games 10 wins, 1 lose, and a face no me pacho almost 74 goals. I consider 9 goals plus 65 goals. And I Ox FC GRA ladies tosumi no and so our 28 points. Number 2 teams in the Japan Pobimana Sports Complex and I feel Rock Ladies etosuma akuma and some more 24 points in the league table no and that's so Division 1 e man Jim Ox FC no number na omugina kono Sunday I had to folks ugina akono afi Maxwell Asabri akasa na nsemo that you are enye
nim baby Mr. Brahima wa
kabuku no
we can stretch things, but not this one, please. Patch up, patch up, patch up.
Brahma Kamoko Asam Namiki.
Yeah, we can joke. Yes, I have no doubt. I have no problem with joking, but don't let us go closer to anywhere near Pooley'S death. Mr. Brahima Yunkuno. To the soap and the patch up.
Call me.
Human behavior can never be predicted. The enhanced security, autonomous.
The ultimate sports show.
they are all geared towards getting a better league for Ghana football. A better league, you know. Even the mega ones I cry, you should from sometimes fight to me break it out, chaos to me back, but they don't overstretch things the way we are stretching it. Because the industry called football, they have determined say nothing, absolutely nothing can come between them and their competitions.
Okay.
Because at every given point in time, it is money. Time is money.
Of course,
and,
for them.
And every single minute, the time they are spending is completely money. Into Basha,
the ultimate sports show.
Fight to me break here. They are coming between you say. The following week, competition goes on. They hand them over to the security agencies and they work on it. What is sporting is sporting. They continue with their sporting activity.
Yeah.
And you know, at this stage, I'm becoming a little bit fed up.
In the system or
with the way we are overstretching things, because Yaluzu will be at the stadium. I think second we, if it had got nothing or it is not related to any football match, it will be but because of Akwalana, a friend of Pooley'S, Sakurano, did that one year and then a home chese and a hockey car, and it said or year of football matches near the Adeno, and a year PSA, and says any problem, say Etono, Kotono. I'm appealing to both Has and Kotoko to lower some of the things they are doing. They are overstretching things too much. What do you say? They are overstretching things. And you say, Bia, they didn't cry, said, occasion, you know. And you say, Bia, there was a fight between Kotoko supporters and Ishatrama supporters, and as a result of that, one of Ishatrama supporters pulled a knife and killed Kotoko supporter. That is not the story.
Cabra Footy said Donald Trump.
That is not what happened. And yet a fight between Nswatraman and Kotoko. And that is not it wasn't a fight. What you say? Anna, you see what park in the you settling. I'm here bobo no wie.
Ultimate sports show.
Kotoko nya red card 3. Nswatraman nya 1. Ye tiase e bo match no e wie.
Yeah.
Enti Nientina, as a Asambia do me, I did we can, and I say we are quite sensitive to Pooley'S in the bush for. Just say, I'm very, very sensitive to them. I sympathize with them. My heart is with them all the time, anytime, any day. What you say? But I think Sir Hassan Kotoko are overstretching things. I must. Oh, I can't say. Yeah, 1 week. What you say? Musumope security enhancement. Yeah, as for autonomy, it has got nothing to do with Pooley'S death. Autonomy, you know. And what statement I'm kind of 2 things: enhanced security and autonomy.
Ultimate sports show.
Enhanced security, it is being done. Autonomy, what has it got to do with Pooley'S death? Makukuru say
Pooley'S
and automatic slot. I mean, the Pooley'S can automatic slot.
Okay.
They are taking advantage of this miserable moment to ask for too much.
But what yes, Kotoko has league na ye mo ye no.
Ultimate sports show.
League no about on hold. That is not the issue. Every including minister, say before a special league, I was match venues in our visit. The question is, to be visiting match venues. Won't is a minister can say or visit
Minister has not told the FA not to continue the league.
And Kotoko
Minister has not told anybody not to continue.
Kotoko they has in Kasai.
Look at statement Kramdi by say now our health officials have cleared Kotoko players to start training. What I mean, can you put I mean just here? Health department, you know, I clear your players say now they can start training with
maybe because of mental issues.
What mental issue?
Psychological.
Maestro.
Psychological.
Almost started training. Obiabo armband.
Yeah, Koko.
Red armband. Obiadi armband abonity. Dedicating the start of the training to the memory of Pale.
Almost started training this week.
Yeah,
no. Kotoko started training this week.
Almost have officials. I clear almost say now the more Giadana you say because a player be now and you overstretching it too much.
That is not the case.
What you say? You overstretching it. I must let you know.
It is not true.
What you say?
Why I want to see Kaino? The very day I answer number 1 to see Kaino. Only place in your team camp.
They say
only place in your dia Greco Penta my body bus stadium. It shouldn't be so.
Pooley
has been a friend to each and every player. Yes, I mean, players are okay. They are never okay. They're not okay.
Mukonya accident. So on.
Yeah.
No
cry official cry free mo.
Yes.
Team manager back.
No cry konya accident na. E ko pim ka bi mo no. Mu prepare no. Edimusa sana mo.
And they say was it more than 3 months?
But I know MC and suspended league no.
You suspended league.
Very good. It is when
you suspended league.
Jim Humben you suspended league. Suspended league. One more.
Catch him. Sympathize.
Then I interview FA Cup chairman. Who beside say matches no pass that okay. Was he able to even tell you the outcome of the meeting? Was he able to tell you? House of Folk can say my league. Kotoko can say my league. Organizers do almost say
the MC say the team be free mo pay suspended league.
So when Kotoko are ready to play the league. Now 4 of the players also can say yes you ready every so.
David.
Me I do who can like I say you are trying to be sensitive but yes how what I say just you know you be su e studio ha yengina ya be sympathize dia esese eye bia ya ne 1 week ewie what I say Pooley kwaku obia wo kwan abafa so be free.
Yeah,
what I say enya sekan poni obi di war no and as vibrant as he is otika mukura na nyame fa sama ebi akonhia bi ko bai no ya enu ke be ka say one would have shown. Quite unfortunately, say, I didn't go see stadium. Now, a cobani say, and a young also the whole Ghana, me sure say, all the 16 clubs sing now, bien wa, or express sympathy, Emma, Bushia, Kotoko, any Kotoko supporters, oh, Bia Boto. What I say, but yeah, into a yama, dear way I share one. Just say, Diana, call me any be.
When it comes out.
Yeah, Kotoko foi. Yeah.
Mate enkesina kase
what league has started with 18 teams. You bet my ball league with that 17. Yentimi and dispense with the services of Kotoko in the league and play. They can play the 17.
So they should go ahead and play.
They can play.
They should go ahead and play.
They can play. But the person makes say we are no one sensitive. We are no one. Oh, I do any can I have your batabua. Ni kana.
Mate.
What do you about a boy? Ni chedi. Kebiana. One way na kobodu. Akobonum. Etini kaya bibi but move mama woman we are too much.
As I went up on
Mate.
Apogina, Mas Rufi.
Move woman.